Welcome to the Database Management Interview Questions series from ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore some of the most frequently asked questions that appear in DBMS interviews along with the clear and simple explanations. Whether you are preparing for a job interview, campus placement, or brushing up your concepts, you are in the right place. Let us begin. The CHAR data type is a fixed length character data type, meaning it always reserves the specified amount of space even if the actual data is shorter. On the other hand, var CHAR is a variable length data type that only uses as much space as needed, making it more efficient for storing text of varying length. The null value in SQL represents unknown or missing data and is different from an empty string or zero. It must be handled specifically in queries using is null or is not null, as normal comparison operators do not work with null. Referential integrity ensures that relationships between tables are consistent. It is enforced using foreign keys which link child tables to parent tables, ensuring that there are no orphaned records, that is, records in the child table that don't have a corresponding record in the parent table. A database schema defines the structure of a database, including tables, views, indexes, and relationships. It acts as a blueprint that outlines how the data is organized and how database elements relate to each other. A subquery is a query nested inside another query. It can be used in various SQL statements like a select, insert, update, or delete. Subqueries can return a single value, a set of values, or even an entire table and are often used for filtering or comparing results in complex queries. The inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables, while an outer join returns matching rows as well as non-matching rows from one or both table. Outer join can be further classified into left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Stored functions are similar to stored procedures but are designed to return a value. They can be used in SQL queries just like regular functions, and they help promote code reusability by allowing you to encapsulate logic that can be reused in multiple places. The distinct keyword is used in select queries to remove duplicate rows from the result set, ensuring that only unique records are returned. It can be applied to one or more columns. An RDBMS or Relational Database Management System is software that manages relational databases by using tables to organize data and relationships between the data. Some common examples of RDBMS are MySQL, SQL Server, and PostgreSQL. A data warehouse is a centralized repository designed to store large volumes of historical data. It is optimized for queries and reporting, making it a key component of business intelligence system. Data is typically extracted from various sources, transformed, and loaded into the warehouse using the ETL extract transform load process. The drop command completely removes a table, view, or database from the system, including its structure and data. In contrast, truncate removes all rows from a table but retains the table structure, allowing you to add new data later. A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table, ensuring that no two rows have the same key value. A foreign key establishes a relationship between two tables by referring to the primary key in another table, helping to maintain referential integrity. Normalization is the process of organizing a database to minimize redundancy and dependency by splitting large tables into smaller ones. Each table stores related data. This improves efficiency, reduces data duplication, and ensures data integrity. Denormalization is the process of combining tables to improve query performance, often by reducing the number of joins needed. While it can speed up queries, it increases data redundancy and it can compromise data integrity, so it is typically used when query performance is prioritized. A composite key is a primary key made up of two or more columns. It uniquely identifies a record by using a combination of values from multiple columns, typically when no single column can uniquely identify the record. The between operator in SQL is used to filter results within a specific range. It can be applied to numeric, date, or text columns, making it useful for querying records that fall within a given range of values. Indexing is a technique used to speed up data retrieval in a database. By creating an index on one or more columns, indexing improves query performance, reduces input output operations, and speed up searching by allowing the database quickly locate the data. SQL injection is a type of security vulnerability where an attacker can execute malicious SQL queries to manipulate the database. To prevent this, always use parameterized queries or stored procedures and avoid concatenating user inputs directly into SQL queries. The isNull function is used in SQL to replace null values with a specified replacement value. For example, isNull of expression, comma, replacement value will return the replacement value if the expression is null. An inner join returns only the rows with matching values in both tables, while a left join returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. If no match is found in the right table, null values are returned for the right table's columns.